Hey everyone, I have some questions for you. As you know, I've started this new journal. Sorry, everything's falling over. Now I have some questions. I had said I might do the accordion spine, but what I'm thinking now, the more I look at it, this is going to be a fatty patty once it's decorated. If you were to buy a shabby chic journal, would you prefer it have the just expanded spine that gives you room to decorate it and an ephemera pack? Or we can do the accordion spine on a different video so y'all can, those of you that don't know how to make one can, and I will still do the spine. I've been pulling out my pinks. As you can see, I've got my washi tapes. All of them, well, not all of them, I'm still going through stuff. But anyway, it's great for fine motor going through the box and picking stuff up, and it's exercising my hands. I pulled out 2 packs of paper that I had bought and never opened. One is the Stamperia House of Roses, and I thought this would be pretty good for journal cards and stuff because it's like the 10 by 10. 8 by 8. So yeah, it's got some pretty cool things in here I could use for journal cards and some tags and stuff. But it looks a bit busy to me, and this could be the way my brain's seeing things now. So I wanted your opinion. It looks really busy. I'm kind of like a soft muted person. And then I have this Stamperia Shabby Rose. I have some others I haven't pulled out yet. But I don't like any of these papers for the cover. None of them. So, my thoughts are, rather than make a paper cover on this, once I get the spine intact, I want to make a fabric shabby chic cover. You know, have the muted base like a off-white cream color, and then add my pinks and whites and greens to it. Now, I buy tassels off of Erin Klossner, Erin in the Adirondacks, who has a lot of sales on YouTube. And whenever she's having tassels, I'm there. And I'll tell you why. They're ginormous, if I can get it off. I don't use them for tassels. You see, it is ginormous. But I watch the colors she's putting up for sale. And if I know I have a project coming up, oh, that one's stuck to my camera arm, then I will buy her tassels. This one I have used a lot off of, and this is what I just hang it with. But anyway, she has beautiful tassels she makes, and they're huge, absolutely huge. So rather than go out and buy a lot of lace and trims that I'm going to have tons left over, I watch for when Erin is doing her tassels and her sales, and I'm there with those on, and I buy up tassels that I can just take apart and use what I need in my projects. And I don't have a lot of leftovers. And I have beautiful, beautiful laces and trims and dangles and tassels, and you know, she just throws the kitchen sink in here, which, you know, I'm sure if I keep digging, it's down here somewhere. I'll find it. But she also puts a lovely piece of jewelry on each one that always look cute on journal covers. So, these two will be in this project. I can promise you that. So here's my question. The paper's over there. I can cut them down, they won't be so busy, and just make ephemera. Would you prefer to see the journal made and the ephemera made to decorate it, That's question 1. Question 2. Would you prefer to see the journal made with a larger spine than normal, not decorated, but then make the ephemera on camera to add to the journal kit so that the person who gets it will decorate it themselves? I may have to do some of these live because, okay, I'm not sure. I wanted to use the gold paper clips, but my question now, are these too gaudy? I mean, will they be too, I don't know. They're gold, but I like the gold ones. But my brain's not working right for some reason now. It's telling me, you know, that might just be too gaudy looking. And I will do a lot of the hidden paper clips for this journal. I'm going to do some hidden paper clip page borders where it will come down the entire page and just clip on at the top. And, okay, so that's 3 questions. 1, decorated journal. 2, blank journal with a separate ephemera kit. 3, are these gaudy? Will these look okay? I could get all white ones, but I just don't want to go through all the paper clips in the mason jar and pull out all the white ones. And these I haven't added to the jar yet, so they're still intact. Yep, I was going lazy. So that's the 3 questions for this video. Stay tuned, guys. I have a giveaway video coming up soon. You're not going to want to miss it. See you soon. Bye-bye.